So we'll be showing how to fold the wheelchair. So first you need to remove the footrest. Simply you just pull the footrest and keep the footrest aside, and then remove the handrest. Remove the handrest. Just unscrew it. And make sure the wheelchair height is actually normal height. Now to bring down the wheelchair height to normal height. Okay, just since the joystick has connected with the wire, you just need to keep the joystick handle aside and remove the cushions. Removing cushions are needed because the backrest will be much more closer to the height. Remove the backrest. We have removed the backrest cushion. Now we're removing the detachable cushion. So now we'll fold the backrest as well. These are the two knobs. You just need to fold. Yeah, just need to push slightly and pull the backrest in forward direction. So this is closed. Now keep the handle like this. This is actually the folded position. To unfold the wheelchair, you just simply follow the same steps in reverse order. First you pull up the backrest. You just hold these two knobs, two levers, and now the backrest is locked. So place the cushions. And place the handrest. Place the footrest. That's it.